Doctor Visit, Pharmacy Emergency English Part 6. Hello everyone. Welcome back. I'm Isha. I'm really happy you're here today. In today's lesson, we'll learn English that you can use when visiting a doctor, buying medicine, making a phone call, or asking for help in an emergency. These are real-life conversations that everyone should know. So, relax. Listen carefully. Repeat every sentence. And speak confidently. Let's begin. Lesson 39, Visiting a Doctor. Imagine you're visiting a doctor. Good morning. Good morning. Please have a seat. Thank you. What's the problem? I have a headache. How long have you had it? Since yesterday. Do you have a fever? Yes, a little. Let me check your temperature. Okay. You need to take some medicine. Take these tablets twice a day. Drink plenty of water. Get some rest. Thank you, doctor. You're welcome. Get well soon. Now repeat the conversation. Excellent. Lesson 40, Pharmacy Conversation. Good afternoon. Hello. How can I help you? I'd like some medicine for a cold. Do you have a prescription? Yes, I do. Here it is. Take this medicine after meals. How many times a day? Twice a day. How much is it? It's $12. Thank you. Have a nice day. You too. Wonderful. Lesson 41, Telephone Conversation. Hello. Good evening. May I speak with Mr. Rahul? Speaking. How are you today? I'm doing well. Thank you. I'm calling about tomorrow's meeting. What time is it? It's at 9 o'clock. Thank you for letting me know. You're welcome. See you tomorrow. Goodbye. Bye. Now repeat everything. Lesson 42, Asking for help. Excuse me. Can you help me? Yes, of course. I can't find my bag. Don't worry. We'll help you. Thank you. Where did you last see it? Near the entrance. Let's go and check. Here it is. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Excellent. Lesson 43, Daily Vocabulary. Today's words. Doctor, doctor. Patient, patient. Medicine, medicine. Prescription, prescription. Hospital, hospital. Emergency, emergency. Appointment, appointment. Health, health. Example. I have a doctor's appointment. Repeat. I have a doctor's appointment. Health is very important. Repeat. Health is very important. I need some medicine. Repeat. I need some medicine. Excellent. Lesson 44, Pronunciation Practice. Listen carefully. Repeat after me. Doctor, medicine, hospital, emergency, prescription, appointment, patient, healthy. Very good. Lesson 45, Listening Practice. Now just listen. My name is John. Last week, I wasn't feeling well. I visited a doctor. The doctor checked my temperature and gave me some medicine. I stayed at home for 2 days and drank plenty of water. Now I feel much better and I'm back at work. Now answer. Why did John visit the doctor? Because he wasn't feeling well. How does he feel now? He feels much better. Excellent. Lesson 46, Confidence Practice. Repeat after me. I can communicate in English. I speak calmly. I ask questions clearly. I understand more every day. Practice makes me confident. I never stop learning. I believe in myself. My English is improving every day. Wonderful. Keep smiling. You're doing an amazing job. That's all for today's lesson. Congratulations on completing part 6. If you've watched this lesson until the end, you're making real progress in your English journey. Remember, confidence comes from practice, not perfection. Speak a little English every day, and you'll be surprised by how much you improve over time. If you enjoyed learning with me, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Your support motivates me to create more free English lessons, real-life conversations, interview practice, vocabulary, pronunciation, listening exercises, and daily speaking sessions for you. In the next lesson, we'll practice English for banking, ATM, post office, and public transport, so you can use English confidently in even more everyday situations. Thank you so much for learning with me. Keep practicing, keep smiling, keep speaking English every single day. I'm Isha. See you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.